My video guide will provide you with instructions that will help you to remove the adware type program that is called MapIt, also known as MapIt or Maps for PC. This is a misleading pop-up that may promote this special program. The pop-up is zeutils.online. However, there are many other similar pop-ups targeting the majority of browsers today. They all may promote this software called MapIt or Maps for PC, and believe me, it is extremely dangerous for people to interact with these pop-ups and to download this software. The developers of this program claim that by installing it, you will be able to get the most efficient way to navigate securely from your PC. So some people may decide to install this software, but obviously it's a mistake to install this program. Another problem with this software called MapIt is that it may be bundled with some free programs that people might decide to install into their computers. So, for instance, you may be looking for some free software in the internet, and when you decide to install it, there could be a lot of other extra programs that might be included into the installer. So unfortunately, this particular software may be mistakenly installed into the computer, and then it may start displaying a lot of advertisements on your computer not related to the websites that you visit. These ads may be multiple, may extremely distract your attention, and because of that, you may be even forced to download some other malicious software without realizing that. So, in case this adware was installed, you need to go to the control panel of your computer and carefully look for the programs that might be suspicious. In fact, there may be several suspicious applications in place, so carefully check this list and uninstall any applications that you don't remember installing directly. I would also recommend you to perform additional investigation of your computer with Combo Cleaner antivirus, and it is crucial because this system could be also contaminated by some hidden adware or malware. Combo Cleaner will help you very well to identify and delete all other possibly hidden infections from your device. So go to the page combocleaner.com, use this green button to download the software, install it, and start researching your system to detect and neutralize other threats from your computer. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner antivirus, it will be in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. The program will first of all update its antivirus database for proper malware detection and elimination. You will notice that most likely the program will start identifying certain threats on your computer. While the scanning is taking place, you may experiment with some of the settings of Combo Cleaner antivirus. For instance, there is a special feature called anti-ransomware, which is the part of the premium license. Anti-ransomware feature of Combo Cleaner helps you to add one or several folders on your system that will be protected against all sorts of ransomware attacks. Then, after the scanning has been completed, you'll see the detailed summary of threats that were found during the scanning. The summary will show you the name of the threat and its exact location on your computer. You'll be able to remove each threat manually by going to these locations, or you may consider upgrading to the premium license to remove these threats automatically.